Question 19. Passage most strongly implies indicates that we are dealing with an inference question. For an inference question, you're being asked to track down enough information in the passage to definitively prove one of the answer choices true. The correct answer won't be written in the passage, but there will be enough information to prove it true. This question doesn't give us any help as to where we should look for the information. It just says the passage. So the information we're looking for could be found anywhere. In that case, we're going to have to do a process of elimination on each of the answer choices, doing research as we go. Answer choice A. There are no creators of links to web pages who are also owners of intellectual property on web pages. Be very careful of extreme language in inference answer choices. Extremes require extreme proof. This says there are no creators linking their own work. The passage tells us very little about the people who link, just that when they link, they're not distributing the material. So answer choice A is not something we know or can prove. Answer choice B. The person who controls access to a web page document should be considered the distributor of that document. This is almost a direct rephrasing of something they say. It's very close. In the middle of the last paragraph, they say that A, simply by placing the document on the web, is thereby offering it for distribution. So that is our answer. We can prove it from what we've seen in the passage. Let's take a look at the others just to understand why they're wrong. Answer choice C says rights of privacy should not be extended to owners of intellectual property placed on the web. Privacy isn't really talked about very much in the passage at all. It's sort of hinted at when they're talking about answering machine messages. They don't really give us enough information about it to say much of anything. Certainly not that owners of intellectual property should not have it. D, those who create links to web pages have primary control over who reads the documents on those pages. That's another one of those exact opposites of what the passage tells us. The author says that once you've put it on a link, you're not controlling who reads it. You're making it available for others to read. Answer choice E, a document on the web must be converted to a physical document via printing before copyright infringement takes place. This is a misunderstanding of something that comes up in paragraph 2. At no point do they say you have to write things down or print them out in order for it to be copyright violation. So E is not our answer, B is our answer.